How to make chia seed tea. Making chia seed tea helps hydrate us in a more nourishing manner, which then reflects on our skin. Dullness, dark under eye circles, weird shadows, fine lines, and surface wrinkles. It only takes 2 simple ingredients, chia seeds and your favorite tea. I chose sprouted chia seeds and organic raspberry leaf tea. You can choose any tea that you want, whatever you're craving. So now we brew our tea. I'm using a 3-cup glass mason jar, so I'm also using 2 tea bags to have a proper amount of flavor. Just add our hot water to your personal flavored tea bag, and then we're gonna grab something to place it on top so you don't lose all those yummy volatile oils that will escape through the steam. So it's up to you how much chia seed you want. I use 1/4 cup, but if you want like a thicker, more gelatinous viscosity, feel free to use a 1/2 cup. So we've steeped our tea and we've taken the tea bags out. So now we're gonna add the chia seeds. Add either 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup for extra gelatinous tea. Take your instrument of choice to stir, and that's it. You just store this overnight in the fridge, occasionally shake it if you want, and you got yourself, boom, chia seed tea. And don't forget to share and subscribe.